Presenting you with the AULA F68 All-Transparent Free-Mode Mechanical Keyboard, the fully transparent custom keyboard. The cover and keycaps are made of transparent PC material, while the switch is a transparent crystal switch. Featuring a cool backlight, the keyboard boasts an astonishingly overwhelming gorgeous look. Combined with exquisite printing, the receiver is hidden through magnetic absorption. It features a large multifunction knob, allowing you to switch the volume and backlight with just one key. With a reinforced gasket structure design and the addition of pour-on silencer cotton and bottom silicone pads, the keyboard not only has a high-end appearance, but also a high-quality internal configuration. Now, let us listen to the sound of keyboard tapping. A classic design in black and white color, there is always one that will suit you.